TV, Nairobi.
Jotendin mawuok e riwruok margi okwayo ganda jo Kenya mondo miyo nyakwe kinde mabura mochwale nyim doho mamalo mogik ibiro winjo gikwayo horuok e kinde duto ka bende giyie ng'eto ma doho biro yango e kinde rumo mar burano. Gikwayo jong'ad buche e doho no mondo mi ogol ng'eto ma ratiro.
It is our prayer and confidence that truth will prevail and justice will be done and be seen to be done at the Supreme Court. On our part as religious leaders, we urge every Kenyan, regardless of their political affiliation, to accept the ruling of the Supreme Court as the position of justice. It is Kenya that will have won either way. We commend the residents of the counties, constituencies, and wards who are participating in electing their leaders today following the earlier postponement. We call upon the residents of these areas to exercise their democratic right and to do so peacefully.